let's install our Kafka. So first, let's open our browser. I am AJM Maribaw from BSRT 2A. So today we will be installing RabbitMQ and Kafka on our device. So let's open our browser. Done it to search their first let's install RabbitMQ website, the Kafka Apache, or let's click that. Let's search for 3.22 Scala install it from their official website at www.rabbitmq.com. I have already downloaded it. So since we're in a window, so next let's go back to our file. So let's search for a Windows installer. As you can see here. So RabbitMQ is dependent on Erlang. So first let's download Erlang. So let's unzip this to our. We're gonna install so select folder. Erlang 27 since it's the only compatible one. 64-bit. And then so let's go back here and install our window. Our Erlang. So let's rename this Kafka RabbitMQ. After that, let's go to our Windows search bar. Let's search for. So now let's go to our folder variables, nodes, and let's open first our Motif script and install our Erlang.
After installing RabbitMQ and
Lovely.
Erlang,
Script.
we will proceed to the enabling the plugin. So to do that, let's search for RabbitMQ.
Search for the C. Directory for Kafka. Then okay. Then press new for our path. Click edit. Make a new one. And go back to our Kafka. Then bin. Then copy this file path. Go back here.
After enabling
New. Paste it. Then okay. After that. Okay, but okay. Kafka folder. Let's go to config. Then craft. Then config. Then the config server. Yeah. Just open this. Open it. What the hell? Okay. Let's open this with Notepad. So let's scroll down, search for log basics. Then we just dash Kafka. Then click save. Then save it. And that let's go back to our server. Let's also change our log basics. Just see. Kafka folder. And here let's search only. So let's create an ID. So that here. Windows. Let's So next step is to go back to our Kafka folder, and in here let's type cmd. Let's moving. So it generated as our UID. So let's open. Not good. So let's take note of this. So next is Windows. And slash. It is. So begin. Imbis na ko na. So is to do that and copy this. So it is a success to our Kafka folder. Let's search again here. CMD. So oh, partition. No, no. My, let's copy this in case it went wrong. Right. I'll create and should minimize this. Then next is let's go back to our Kafka folder. CMD again. Okay. So let's yeah. So, yeah. This should be okay now. Right. And, ah, shit. So next is let's run the email. Copy this. So we now have a producer command. Next is let's create a cuff R. consumer. So let's check on CMD. So let's open our create our consumer. So let's just copy this. And change this to consumer. Let's double check. Let's drop the gaming dash. So and this another typo. Consumer. Consumer. So let's test this. Let's go back to our mm, producer CMD, Kafka CMD. Then let's just type here. Hi. As you can see, the the consumer automatically received the message from our producer. As you can see, it's a success. So that's all. So this would wrap up all the installation of RabbitMQ and Kafka in my device. Thank you all.